Welcome. In this session, we will explore how to format numbers into different currency representations using JavaScript's built-in int number format. This is useful for displaying prices, financial figures, and more. Let's get started. This function ensures that currency values are formatted according to regional conventions, making them more readable and user-friendly. This function takes a number, a currency code like USD or EUR, and an optional locale. The int number format API then applies the correct format based on the region. This method simplifies currency formatting by automatically handling thousands separators, decimal points, and currency symbols based on the locale. This function adapts to different currency styles, ensuring accurate presentation across different regions and languages. Here are some real-world applications, from e-commerce platforms to banking applications. Proper currency formatting improves user experience and ensures clarity in financial transactions. This method is a simple yet effective way to ensure correct currency formatting across various applications. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.